it was able to pierce the heart of the hearer, because what'll happen is my words will take on a new frequency of fire, and those words will pierce the darkness because they're not my words.
Yeah.
And they will unveil light in a dark room. And Jesus will say, I'm the way.
Come on.
I'm the truth. I am the life, the eternal Father. Come.
It's like when you told that story a few weeks ago, might have been in the beginning, I don't know, of the Africa thing where they sing their song.
Yeah.
If we can release a frequency they can remember,
Yes.
in their heart, not in their head.
We got to bypass the head. That's where I used to think the ego was bad, but now I think that it's just been misguided, or it's been, what do you call it? Twisted imagery. Not positive on that one yet, but I think that more apt to be that it's distorted, and like consciousness, it's like I'm consciously aware of Christ. I'm consciously aware of me.
Yeah.
Right? And David heard the voice of God speaking in the wind in the mulberry trees.